Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll deal with listening and speaking examination. The topic is taking notes and getting answers from the notes in Part B, answering 5 questions. The examination is composed of 3 parts, including Part A, reading, Part B, role play, and Part C, rhetoric. Part B consists of asking 3 questions and answering 5 questions, the latter of which is often considered to be the most difficult. Therefore, in this lesson, let's figure out the best way to settle the problem. Now, question time. Number 1, where are the 5 answers from? Number 2, what is the key information in a conversation? You may pause to think. Okay, let's see together. Question 1, look at the sample. The first 2 answers come from the video, while the other 3 are from the computer's answers after each asking a question. Then we come to the details of key information. Number 1, fact. For example, he caught a cold last night. Here, caught a cold may be the point. Number 2, number. For example, Tommy began his first ride at the age of 4. Then 4 is the word we should focus on. Number 3, negative words. Number 4, ways. Number 5, logic. Number 6, attitude. Now that you know the key information, how do you take notes? Some of you may be upset, right? In fact, we can use the shorthand of the note, which can be words, abbreviation, Chinese, and symbols. Number 1, keep some first letters. Number 2, keep some letters of the beginning and ending of the word. Number 3, based on pronunciation. Number 4, based on symbols. After the skills mentioned above, I'd like to offer you a note pattern, which is of great significance. Before listening to the video, there is an introduction on the screen, so write out the keywords or main idea on the first blank. Ask refers to the woman or man who asks. It's often the case that you needn't take too many notes here. And answer means the one who answers most of the time. It's vital that you concentrate on it, because you can get the first 2 answers here. Later, you are required to ask 3 questions, and you should make notes of the computer's answers. After each question, the last 3 answers are from this part. Finally, you can set down all the answers on the chart below. So, clear? What about having a test of 2018 A Part B? Depressed? Haha, cheer up. Now, listen to the video and take notes on the paper with the note pattern. I'll also do this with you. Use the shorthand to write down the key information so as to find the 5 answers. Are you ready? Let's go.
Good afternoon, Dr. Brown. We're very honored to have you with us today.
In order to save the time, please listen to it by yourselves, and I'll move to the next page. Okay, the first listening is finished. Have you taken a lot of notes? I'll show you mine. See, I just keep some letters of the words. Now listen for the second time. Try to get more details and complete the words. I'm confident that you can do better. Ready? Go.
Thanks for inviting me, Mary. We know that you have been studying.
That's all. How is it going this time? Look at my note of the second listening. I'm glad that I have got all the answers. Look at these circles. Let's check all the answers. Number 1. He started his research in 2010. Answer 2. Sleep and health. Answer 3. Don't sacrifice sleep. Answer 4. People tend to feel more hungry and eat more. And answer 5. Too much or too little sleep. Therefore, this part is not that difficult. Agree? Eventually, let's make a summary of what we learned today. 1. Source of 5 answers. Number 2. Key information. Number 3. Shorthand. Number 4. No pattern. That's all. Homework for you. Please take a test of 2018 B, Part B. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.